Sealing T-bar roll forming machine is one of KINGREAL's most distinctive products, and the current successful cases include Main T-cross T-roll forming machine. 2. T-bar roll forming machine with protective shields. 3. Groove T-bar forming machine. 4. Silhouette T-grid machine. 5. Another customized machine. And today this video will introduce to you the KINGREAL T-bar sealing machine factory. See all the workshop. Parts workshop. Each part on the molding machine will be finished here. In order to ensure the quality of the equipment, workers will test the parts to ensure that the parts meet quality standards before they are assembled on the equipment. Rack workshop. Workers will weld and splice the frame of the equipment here. Assembly workshop. All finished parts and frames need to be assembled into a completed T-bar sealing machine in this workshop. Display workshop. The assembled T-bar sealing machine will be displayed in this workshop. At the same time, workers will conduct debugging and testing of the equipment to ensure that the produced products have no errors and the equipment has no problems. About the packing and shipping vlog. So far, KINGREAL has successfully transported the machines to Russia, India, Turkey, Greece and Saudi Arabia, and will arrange engineers for corresponding technical guidance. It has been widely recognized by customers. This is the complete introduction of T-bar sealing machine factory. Welcome to Choose KINGREAL. Thanks for watching. Welcome to subscribe KINGREAL Machinery.